Gina from WTI, and I think that you can never have enough cute bags in your life. I am in love with how gorgeous this little messenger bag is from IVESIGN. First off, the quality of the leather is absolutely evident. I was a little worried when I took it to the beach because some sand got on it and it kind of scratched the leather, but I just followed the manufacturer's suggestion, and that was just to use my finger to smooth out the scratches, and it actually adds to the uniqueness of the bag, and it just looks so weathered and cool. I like that there's different colors to the leather as well, like on the front with the front zippered area, it's a little bit darker of a leather color than the rest of the bag, and I think that just adds some really nice character to it. I'm really pleased with the size. Although it's a smaller bag, I'm able to fit all of my necessities, and it's been especially nice when I've traveled. I can fit my iPhone 14 really easily in the front pocket, but there's many different things you could put in it, especially if you're traveling. You could put your passport or other identification for easy access. There's also a few pockets on the inside, and it fits a lot of things like I mentioned, like I can fit my wallet in here, my keys, lip gloss, personal items. It just really holds so much. And there's a pocket on the back, so there's no end of pockets in this bag, and it makes it so convenient to reach things. I love that this can be worn multiple ways, over the shoulder, crossbody, and this adorable little handle on the top where you can just carry it by hand if you want. I just love the size of this bag, the color because it's neutral enough to go with many different outfits, and how you can carry it in different ways. And that's my point of view.